Product name, comfy package, plastic portion cups with lids, Souffle cups, Jello shot cups. The 100 sets of plastic 2-ounce portion cups with lids, Souffle cups are disposable cups that are designed to hold small portions of food or condiments. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The cups are made of high-quality plastic that is durable and crack-resistant. The cups are disposable, making them ideal for use at parties, picnics, and other events. The cups come with lids that snap on securely, which helps to prevent spills and leaks. The cups are suitable for use with a variety of foods and condiments, including salad dressings, ketchup, mustard, and more. Negatives. Some users have reported that the cups can be difficult to separate from each other. Some users have reported that the cups are relatively small and may not be suitable for larger portions. Overall, the 100 sets of plastic 2-ounce portion cups with lids, Souffle cups are a great choice for those who need disposable cups that are durable and suitable for small portions of food or condiments. Price, $9.99.